Every L gotta learn a minute. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even with no mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even.
Magandang araw sa inyo at welcome back sa aking muntin channel. As you may have already guessed, ay magpapakabit kami ng bagong shoes para kay Baby Kaiju. Ito na sigurong kukumpleto sa form and function niya kumbaga. Ang Sonnet ay isang very capable machine na pwede mong pormahan. Pero syempre, kailangan mo pa rin mag-consider ng mga bagay-bagay, lalo na kung about safety. So with that in mind, medyo di talaga pwede yung basta ka lang magsasaksak ng basta-basta. It took us a lot of thinking and planning. Pero to cut the story short, ito na ang outcome ng kwento na iyon.
Ayan na, tama ba? Kasya naman, no? Ah, di ba? Kasya? Oo.
Ayan, so dala na natin ng kontrabando. Oras naman ngayon para kumuha ng next goodies natin. At ayun nga, lumapit tayo ngayon sa mga kaibigan natin sa MGF para sa arrangement ng mga goodies natin. And kausap nga natin dito si Boss Mark. Kinuwento namin sa kanya ang planong Operation Project Kaiju 3.0. Nag-thumbs up siya, nag-thumbs up ako, then ayun na. Shoutout sa inyo, Sir Mark at Madam Melody. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng MG Fernandez. At ayun na nga, nilabas nila yung mga goods na kailangan namin. So, oras na para i-install yun kay Baby Kaiju. Wait lang.
Ah.
Yun yung parang ano yan, yung maganda yung forma niya pag nagkabit niya.
Ganda nga.
Taas ng thread, no?
Oo.
Hindi ako sure sa overall specs ng stock wheels and tires ng Sonnet, pero nang binuhat ko sila para timbangin at pagkumparahin, pakiramdam kong mas magaan yung Rota with tires kaysa sa stock mags and tires ng Sonnet.
Ito, try mong iangat lang ng konti. Kung ano, yun yung magsa.
Parang sobrang bigat niyan.
Yung kung anong kaya mo lang, maramdaman mo lang pag tinaas mo. Yan. Try mo isa.
Bigat yun eh. Parehas na. Wala naman ako na-feel.
Ha? Meron. Mas magaan yan. Nahirapan di-differentiate.
Again, hindi ko alam ang timbang nor yung specs nila. So I might be wrong though. Pero yun talaga observation ko at ng ibang mga tauhan din dito sa MG Fernandez. And hindi ko din to sinasabi to sell stock. Clarify ko lang. Anyway, these wheels will be for sale na. Para sa mga gusto po ng stock wheels and tires ng Sonnet, go over sa Kia Sonnet Pilipinas Club and look for our posting na lang doon. Our wheels were with the car since nung binili namin siya around June 2024. At may naiktakbo lamang siya na 10,000 sa odometer.
Ito po yun, no?
Oo.
26 model.
Okay.
Talaga no, kung kakasya lang to. Tsaka,
Okay.
alin? Ito. Okay din.
Yun ito. Kung tatlong yun.
Pero mas prefer ko to yun.
Yung dalawa niya mas pogi.
Hmm.
Mas macho.
Kaso hindi na hindi na kasya.
Picture.
Ang liit. Pero maganda sa gray talaga ang gold na.
Hindi nga ano.
Gray and gold.
Oo. Kaya pala.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. third is my shift. Rolling all night like flicks, we look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home, I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, you probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Renner, have made the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with Daenerys, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them heels, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the queso, baby, we gonna dip. Was on bad in them apartments. Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until it runs about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go.
Sa wakas natapos din ang pagkabit. Pero dito sa MG Fernandez, hindi pa doon nagtatapos ang proseso nila. May pagdadaanan pa tayo na wheel alignment. This is to ensure daw na maayos ang pagkakabit nila at makaiwas sa kung ano pang mga pwedeng maging aberya sa kalsada. So what's my driving impressions? Ibang-iba na siya. First off, tumaas siya. Maliit lang ang itinas niya sa totoo lang, pero pakiramdam ko lumaki at tumangkad siya. OA na kung sasabihin kong sobra ang itinas niya. Hindi tayo ganun. Second, yung arangkada niya, nag-iba ang feeling. Para na ako nag-drive ng pickup truck or SUV. Weird siya na pakiramdam kasi road bias lang ang Sonet dahil pang city or pang regular na kalsada lang ang stock tires niya. With this, ramdam ko ang difference ng grip at ramdam ko din ang difference ng contact patch nila. Dito ramdam mo yung mga treads niya na malalaki. Ramdam mo yung feeling na may gaps siya, unlike sa regular tires na ramdam mo flat ang pagkakalatag niya sa kalsada. At dahil din sa mga naglalakihang treads na to, mas maingay siya kapag naikot or kapag naandar ka na. Pero don't get me wrong, I love them so much than our stock tires. Sa mga bato-bato na kalsada, mas maganda grip at feel niya. Hindi SUV nor hindi off-roader by birth ang Sonet. Pero with this installed, para kang nakatikim what it's like to be an off-roader. With an emphasis to the word tikim lang. Sa braking naman, mas less grip siya compared sa regular tires. That's a given. Pero hindi ganun ka-drastic para katakutan mo siya. Bago tayo magtapos, gusto lang muna namin magpasalamat uli kila
Sir Mark at Madam Melody.
at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng MG Fernandez. By the way, meron nga pala silang limited time or duration na ino-offer na free check-up and procedures days after mong bumili at magpakabit ng gulong sa kanila. Just to ensure your car's roadworthiness, which also implies kung gaano sila kaaruga sa mga customers nila na bumibili ng gulong sa kanila. So yung mga kasonet natin dyan around Muntinlupa na nagnanais din magpalit ng gulong or yung mga naghahanap ng mga serbisyo na related sa gulong, head over kayo dito sa MG Fernandez, located at Tunasan, Muntinlupa, harap ng Lyceum at St. Peregrine Church. And lapit lang kayo sa kanila for your needs or concerns. I highly recommend sila for their services regarding sa gulong. As usual, Hanggang dito na lang muna uli. Hanggang sa muli, paalam muna pansamantala.